Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
Hey guys, before the video starts, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also check out my merch store and my Discord. Let's go. Hello everyone and welcome to the video. And today guys, I'm bringing you a great review of the Mixcder E9 headphones. So here we go. I'm going to be giving you my honest impressions of the headphones. I'm going to be breaking down my overall score for the headphones, the categories, how I judge headphones specifically, and basically give you guys my overall impressions at the end and let you know if this is a good buying choice when it comes to Bluetooth headphones and audio quality in general. So right here on screen I'm just filming me unboxing them. I did an unboxing but I accidentally deleted the file, so here I'm trying to redo it here. So basically it comes in a hard shell carrying case, pretty standard. I'm glad that they included a case, and then as you can see here you got the headphones and then a bunch of cables to go along with them. You get a manual here, but no one ever reads the manual, to be honest. I just flipped through it here just to show you guys. So yeah, it comes with a couple cables, comes with a 3.5mm aux cable, so you can use these in wired mode in addition to the Bluetooth mode. And they also come with like a little strap in the case just so they're secured and they're not flying around when you open them. So they're nice and secure in the hard shell case. There's no issues of them jumping around and such. Okay, so also what comes in the package is a micro USB cable to charge them, as they do run on battery power in Bluetooth mode if you want to use them like that. And the last thing is a airline adapter if you want to use these on a plane. I don't know many people who use that, but it's there just so you guys need it if you're wondering. So that's nice of them to do. So let's first start with just like the features of these headphones. I'm going to roll some B-roll just so you guys can check out some cool angles and stuff. Features when it comes to the headphones, we got active noise cancellation. Now this does affect audio quality in a bit. I'll discuss that later in the audio section, but it does have active noise cancellation, and it does also have volume up and down, as well as a power button on the headphones itself. So if you want to do some controls while you're listening to music without whipping out your phone and adjusting it that way, you have that option there, which is a nice feature. Okay, so now I'm just going to get into the ways I judge headphones. For the most part, usually I have the same standards when it comes to all headphones. First thing I want to talk about is just build quality. For these, I give it A+. Honestly, these are like $69.99 on Amazon. The build quality here is like, it's insane, guys. Like honestly, for the money, you're getting some great built headphones. Some parts are a little plasticky, but for the most part, it feels really nice. And honestly, they feel like premium headphones, and even the look is really nice. As you can see here, they got like sort of a shiny panel on each ear cup, which is really cool. I think they look really nice when you're wearing them in addition to that. Okay, so the next thing I just want to discuss is really quick price. I'd say these are lower to mid-range priced headphones. It's $69.99, so you're getting into that mid-range price point. I'd say mid-range price point is around like $100 ish, and here we're just a little shy of that. So I think pretty well priced. I think they'd be like an insane 10 out of 10 if these were priced slightly lower, maybe around like $50, so like $20 cheaper. But price is great. Anyone can afford these for the most part. Okay, so when it comes to comfort, guys, this is the best part about these headphones. These are one of the most comfortable headphones I have ever worn in my life. I am not joking, not exaggerating this. Not sponsored by this company at all. These are so comfortable. The leather ear cups, guys, do not hurt your head whatsoever. It got a great mesh at the top for towards the headband part. That's also really soft. Literally, it gives you no irritation at all, guys. If you want a comfortable headset, get this one. Okay, so when it comes to battery life, they market this really heavily, that it has great battery life, and as you can see here, just checking them out real quick. Savage. So yeah, battery life, they say these last up to 30 hours, guys. Insane battery life, and also you can use them wired, so you're never gonna have an issue when it comes to battery. Okay guys, so the last and the most important thing when it comes to headphones, at least in my opinion, is sound quality. I know you guys are all going to wonder how's the sound quality, because that's honestly the most important thing. And I have to say, sound quality is just It's okay. It's not amazing. I've listened to a variety of headphones in my time, ranging from like really cheap, like under $20, all the way up to $300. Bose QC15. So I've had a wide range of headphones, and I have to say these are like middle of the road. They're not bad, but they're not amazing. And I have to say the highs and mids lack slightly when it comes to this. I'd say they're a little tinny. I say the bass and the low end is really solid on these headphones, guys. So if you really like bass, like you're into beats and stuff, these are going to be the ones for you. Okay, so now let's get into my overall impressions where I sum up everything I discussed, and now let's get into that. Okay guys, so just giving my final impressions on the Mixcder's E9, so I can't speak. I think they're a great overall value headphones for the money. If you're looking for a solid Bluetooth pair of headphones that can also act as a wired headphones, something with decent active noise cancellation. I didn't get into the noise cancellation in the sound portion, so I'm just going to discuss it here. The active noise cancellation it's pretty good. It's not as good as like Bose or something like that, or Sony, but it does the job. It's pretty good at isolating sound. Ear cups help with that as well. And just a side note, when you do use the active noise cancellation, there is a bump in volume, but there's also some distortion in the sound quality of the music or whatever you're listening to. So that's a downside of using it. I did notice that when listening to these, they don't get overly loud. I had to crank up the volume pretty high on these to get the equivalent of what I normally volume of what I normally listen to on my other headphones. So sound quality is okay, but volume could be improved, I think, in the next iteration of these headphones. But I do think that where the sound quality lacks, the headphones make up with that in the battery life as well as the comfort that they provide, in addition to the price. I really feel like if these were priced at $50, these would be like one of the best headphones you can buy, but they're slightly above 50, so that is a slight drawback. But I will say that overall, guys, I think these are a great mid-range / budget pair of headphones. I'm going to be linking these down in the description on Amazon. These things get great reviews. I looked up some reviews and I did notice there were some sound quality issues, but I think for the price, sound quality is decent. I think the comfort's amazing. I think the price it's okay. I think build quality is excellent. So with that being said, guys, go check these guys out. Go get a pair of these on Amazon if you're looking for a solid Bluetooth pair of headphones. Shout out to Mixcder for sending these out to me. They're great guys, really great company. They compete very well with other companies on Amazon. So that being said, guys, go check these out in the description. Go pick up a pair. Go follow me on my social media. Use my Fortnite supporter creator code for a shout out, all that good stuff, guys. If you guys want to get notified exactly when I upload, just hit that notification bell down below. Since YouTube sucks when it comes to letting people know when I upload a video, because subscriptions don't mean anything these days. But that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.